Navigating tax requirements when you are not a United States citizen or permanent resident can definitely raise a lot of questions. Many non-resident aliens living in or visiting the United States often wonder if they need a special number for tax purposes, especially if they do not have a Social Security number. Yes, non-resident aliens generally do need an individual taxpayer identification number, or ITIN, if they are required to file a United States tax return and do not have a Social Security number. An ITIN is a 9-digit tax processing number issued by the Internal Revenue Service, or IRS, to individuals who are required to have a United States taxpayer identification number but who do not have, and are not eligible to obtain, a Social Security number. The primary reason a non-resident alien might need an ITIN is to fulfill their United States tax obligations. This typically happens when they earn income in the United States that is subject to United States tax. Common scenarios include receiving wages, scholarships, fellowships, or other taxable income. Without an ITIN, the Internal Revenue Service cannot properly process their tax return or apply any tax treaties that might reduce or eliminate their tax liability. To determine if you need an ITIN, first assess if you have a United States tax filing requirement. If you earned taxable income from United States sources, you likely do. Once you establish a filing requirement, and if you are not eligible for a Social Security number, then you will apply for an ITIN. You apply for this number by completing Form W-7, called Application for IRS Individual Taxpayer Identification Number, and submitting it with your valid federal income tax return. It is important to remember that an ITIN is solely for tax reporting purposes and does not authorize you to work in the United States, provide immigration status, or make you eligible for Social Security benefits. For many non-resident aliens, obtaining an ITIN is a crucial step towards complying with United States tax law and avoiding potential penalties or issues with the Internal Revenue Service. By understanding when and why an ITIN is necessary, non-resident aliens can confidently manage their tax responsibilities, ensuring they are correctly reporting income and taking advantage of any applicable tax treaties or benefits. This proactive approach helps maintain compliance and financial clarity while navigating the United States tax system.